Hi guys, new kit bag from SS we're going to review today. This is the SS World Cup trolley kit bag. So two things. First, the name World Cup. So we've got plenty of World Cups round for the next 2 years. So this name does justice to the model name World Cup. Now also this is a huge size kit bag. For like this retails at 6,000 rupees. So at 6,000 a kit bag coming from SS with the size of this nature, it's really good. Now without wasting time, I'll just take you through the kit bag. So unlike other trolley kit bags, this one has its bat pockets on both the sides, so it holds 2 of your bats. I'll just show you. So this is on one side, you get this World Cup model name written here, and then you get a good one bat pocket here. Now this one is a well cushioned kit bag. This is cushioning on the outer pocket here, which is good, and the stuff otherwise also is good. So this is one on each side. On the second side also there's this another bat pocket, so it can hold 2 of your bat pocket, and both the bat pockets are on the outside, so it's pretty easy to get your bats out. This is again cushioned well, the same cushioning is on both the sides. Now we come to the main compartment. So there's just this one main compartment. You'll get an idea of the size also. So this opens up completely, and there's this one big compartment. We've put in a lot of stuff here. We've put in batting gloves. I'll just show you. We've got 1, 2 and 3 pair of batting gloves here. Now it has got all the amount of space. We can easily put up even more equipment you want to. We put in your helmet. We have your thigh pads, and then your foam roller, and your batting leg guards, and your wicket keeping leg guards. Your wicket keeping gloves are in here, and we've put in your elbow guard, and we've added a pair of shoes. So we would have loved this is another pair of batting gloves. So 4 pairs of batting gloves and a pair of shoes as well. And we would have loved if this one would have had a designated shoe pocket, but this isn't, so we'll recommend shoe bags. But again, the space is really good. We've put in 4 pair of batting gloves, and everything apart from that also, everything a player needs, but it has got enough more space to put in all you want. So this is about it. This is the main compartment. I'll show you the other accessory pockets this has got. So there are these big accessory pockets on both the sides, again 2 of them. So we've put in the compression here. There's another bigger pocket here. I'll show you. This is again more of those cooled pockets which will keep your stuff cooled. So this is one of these coating here, thermo coatings here, and then there are similar side pockets on the other side as well. So this is a very minimalistic design kit bag. So we put in another compression here, and there's a similar pocket here. I'll show you. So we've again put in a wrist guard here. So these are deep big pockets otherwise. Now you get a grab handle on both the ends. This is one here and one here to hold the kit bag. So this is both 2 grab handles at the top, and there's one grab handle to carry the bag as a trolley on the trolley side. So there are 3 grab handles, which is good. You get very good protection here, and you get 3 massive size tractor wheels here. So again, I haven't seen this sized wheels on a 6,000 rupees kit bag, which is again very good. So the basics on this kit bag is very good, though what it misses is definitely a shoe pocket that we would have loved. And again, you know, it just has 2 designated bat pockets, so that again could have been up to 4, or we could have had a slight bat pocket on the inside as well. But that's about it. Nonetheless, huge on size and priced very well is this SS World Cup trolley, and we're shipping worldwide. And do share this video, guys. Thanks and cheers.